When it comes to buying a car, reliability is one of the most important factors to consider. No one wants to deal with constant repairs, expensive maintenance, or unexpected breakdowns. That's why we've put together a list of the top 10 cars that simply never break down. Let's dive in. Number 10. Subaru Legacy. With all-wheel drive, dependable performance, and a fun driving experience in all weather, the Subaru Legacy is an underappreciated treasure. Particularly commended for their superior handling and fuel economy are the fourth-generation cars, such the 2004 Legacy. A potent 3.0-liter flat-six engine that generates 245 horsepower and 215 pound-foot of torque is another highlight of these cars. The Legacy is still a good option because of its sturdy chassis and captivating driving characteristics. Later versions with CVT gearboxes, however, were less remarkable. The 2006 and 2007 model years stand out as particularly dependable, while the 2005 to 2009 versions are renowned for their sturdy handling. Although there were significant engine problems with the 2009 model, Subaru's 2010 to 2014 generation saw an improvement in dependability. High marks were also given to the 2016 and 2017 models for dependability and customer satisfaction. All things considered, the Subaru Legacy is a reasonably priced, well-rounded sedan with a wide selection of dependable model years. Number 9. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a long-lasting sedan that is renowned for its strong engineering and resilience. Its 2.5-liter engine can get up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, and its turbocharged variant can provide up to 250 horsepower, providing both dependability and performance. Long-term dependability and seamless shifting are guaranteed by its 6-speed automatic gearbox. Over time, the engine is under less stress thanks to fuel economy that reaches 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The G-Vectoring Control Plus technology improves stability and safeguards the tires and suspension, while the Mazda 6's well-designed front and rear suspension contributes to its exceptional handling. Along with cutting-edge technology like lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring, the Mazda 6 is constructed with a high-strength steel structure for extra safety. This sedan is a wise long-term investment because it may last up to 600,000 miles with the right care. Number 8. Ford F-150. A list of trustworthy cars wouldn't be complete without the Ford F-150. This timeless American classic is durable, adaptable, and long-lasting. Power and fuel economy were combined in the 2011 and 2012 models with the EcoBoost 5.6-liter. The 13th generation models from 2018 and 2019 include aluminum body panels that increase longevity by reducing weight and preventing corrosion. These trucks also have powerful engine options, like as the long-lasting 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. The F-150 is often rated by J.D. Power as one of the most resilient vehicles available. The F-150 is still a great option if you need a truck that can withstand hard labor and last for many years. Number 7. Mazda Miata. The Mazda Miata is a great option for anybody looking for a dependable and enjoyable sports vehicle. It has established a solid reputation for reliability since its 1989 launch. Among sports vehicles, the Miata is distinguished for its long-lasting performance, cheap maintenance requirements, and straightforward design. Particularly, the NC generation is commended for its sturdy construction. It is still one of the most dependable sports cars available, even if it may require sporadic maintenance like exhaust system or radiator replacements. It's a reasonably priced car to buy, with a 4.0 out of 5 dependability rating from RepairPal and an annual maintenance cost of about $429. After 200,000 miles, many owners say their Miatas continue to operate nicely. Servicing is simple and parts are easily accessible. The Mazda Miata is a strong option if you're searching for a sports vehicle that will endure for many years. Number 6. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry, one of the most dependable cars on the road, is the finest of the best. The Camry is a long-lasting vehicle that is easy to use and efficient. It has two engine options: a 3.5-liter V6 that generates 301 horsepower and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 203 horsepower. Both are designed to be long-lasting and fuel-efficient. The Camry guarantees a dependable and pleasant ride when paired with front-wheel drive and a slick 8-speed automatic gearbox. With up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is yet another feature. Thanks to Toyota Safety Sense, which has cutting-edge technologies like lane departure alert and a pre-collision system, safety is also a top emphasis. The Camry's remarkable endurance and minimal maintenance costs, when properly maintained, it may easily approach 600,000 miles, are what really make it stand out. Number 5. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is a roomy full-size SUV with lots of space for families and goods. With 3 engine options, a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8, it offers powerful performance. It is one of the most adaptable SUVs available, with up to 144.7 cubic feet of load capacity when the seats are folded. The turbo diesel engine achieves up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway for optimal fuel economy. Selecting the final model year of a generation is a good option if you're searching for a dependable Suburban. For instance, the 2024 model performs well, but J.D. Power predicts that it will have a dependability score of 78 out of 100. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 4. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser, a world-renowned vehicle renowned for its legendary endurance, was designed for both off-road excursions and on-road comfort. This SUV may travel hundreds of thousands of miles, some perhaps more than 1 million, if properly maintained. The Land Cruiser, which has sold over 10 million vehicles worldwide, is well known for its durability. Despite its high cost, it is a wise investment due to its unparalleled quality. The average annual maintenance cost is about $800, which is affordable when compared to premium SUVs like the Lexus LX and Cadillac Escalade. With an 83 out of 100 dependability rating, the Land Cruiser is still a reliable option for anyone who wants a car that is both tough and elegant. Adventurers and everyday drivers alike love it for its sturdy construction, smooth ride, and high-end amenities. The Land Cruiser performs exceptionally well whether you're driving on the freeway or navigating difficult terrain. Number 3. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a genuine classic with a stellar reputation for dependability. Even with heavy mileage, this car is made to last thanks to its powerful engine and sturdy parts. After 300,000 miles, many Accord owners say their cars continue to function nicely. The Accord is distinguished by its elegant appearance, effective operation, and roomy cabin that accommodates both passengers and goods. It is a cost-effective option for daily driving due to its remarkable fuel economy. The Accord has a reliable engine under the hood, and its premium parts guarantee durability with few problems. The Accord offers a dependable and comfortable ride whether you're traveling long distances or commuting. The Honda Accord is still among the greatest options if you want a vehicle that is designed to last. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is an excellent option for families looking for a durable SUV. The Sequoia has established a solid reputation for dependability since its launch in 2000, particularly in variants released after 2009. These latter versions are perfect for long-term ownership since they are less problematic and provide a smoother ride. The Sequoia is one of Toyota's most dependable SUVs, scoring 83.5 out of 100. For a full-size SUV, the average annual maintenance cost is $642, which is fair. With about 15% of reported problems being substantial, major repairs are uncommon. In addition to its dependability, the Sequoia is a fantastic option for families because of its roomy cabin. With the right maintenance, many of these SUVs, which are built to last, may go hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is renowned for its dependability and is designed to withstand rough terrain and daily drive. Numerous owners have stated that they have had few problems with their 4Runners for well over 300,000 kilometers. The 4Runner's body-on-frame design makes it incredibly sturdy, allowing it to handle harsh weather and uneven terrain with ease. It is a popular option among off-road aficionados, and with good reason. It is powered by the well-known Toyota 22 RRE engine, which is among the most dependable engines ever produced. There is ample space for both passengers and stuff in the 4Runner's roomy and cozy interior. Its V6 engine performs admirably both off-road and in urban settings. Furthermore, it maintains its worth very well over time. Remember to subscribe for further information about trustworthy cars.